Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We will presented about vector analysis case study, and the member of group it's me Ali Febrian and my friend Faisal Abdullah and Muhammad Zaki Abdullah. Okay, next slide. Okay,
Okay.
number 1 and 2 will be explained by Faisal.
Okay. The question number 1 is determine the effort exerted to move a circular particle of C in the XY plane with a radius of 3. And the direction of the article is counterclockwise. And the first acting is the total of 2x minus y plus z times ax plus the total of x plus y minus z squared times ay plus the total of 3x minus 2y plus 4z times az. And the equation of the circle C is vector r u v equal to r cos theta and r sin theta. Okay, so for the first thing, the answer is we need to write the value that stated in this question. The first is the vector of r, which is 3 cos ti plus 3 sin tj. And after that, we need to using the derivative of r, and it will result with the equation of minus 3 sin ti plus 3 cos tj. And so after that, we can say that the value of x is 3 cos t and y is 3 sin t and z is 0, because this is the xy plane. We don't need anything value of z. Okay, so the vector of r, the vector action of f r u v equals to 2x minus y and x plus y. Okay, so to find the work the work done by the vector v is we can using the control integral of c of vector v times d vector r to the integral line of c, 6 cos t minus 3 sin t times minus 3 sin t dt plus integral cos will result the result will be the integral of c minus 18 cos t sin t plus 9 cos square t plus 9 cos t sin t dt, which is become the integral of the integral from 0 to 2p minus 9 over 2 sin 2t plus 1 dt, and the result will become 1 plus 2p minus 1, which is equal to 2p. So the effort exerted to move a circular particle of C in the xy plane is 2p. Okay, next. Okay, number 2, take a look at figure 1. dk has an electric potential dv on the trajectory of the season line equal to the minus 1 over 4p and epsilon naught times lambda dl over r, and the length of the arc element dl on the circle is r dp. r d pi. If the ring lambda is 5 and c over m, the distance r is 4, the distance z equal to 0. Calculate the electric potential at 0, 0, and 10, caused by the charge distribution in vacuum epsilon naught equal to 8.85 times 10 to the power of of 12 c square over Newton meter square. So the answer is we need to write the known value of the equation, which is the R equal to 4, the capital R equal to 4, the R is equal to root of R capital R square plus 2 square, and the epsilon naught is 80.85 times c square over Newton m square. So dq is equal to the R, and there is a what is A is equal to 5 times 10 to the power of negative 9 c is the same with the 5 and c over m. So we can integrate that to find the potential, which is VA equal to integral from 0 to 2V dV dk over R. So VA is equal to integral from 0 to 2V minus 1 over 4 lambda epsilon naught times lambda R d theta over the root of capital R square plus 2 square. And the VA become negative AR over 4 lambda epsilon naught integral of 0 to 2 lambda d theta. And the FA becomes the R over 2 epsilon naught R. So the potential become estimate to 182.40 volts.
Okay, next, the number 3. Take a look at figure 2. The key has an electric potential VR on the disk trajectory equals to minus 1 over 4 P epsilon 0 double integral sigma, the derivative of R over R, and times the vector of R, the key. The element area on the disk is R, dr, d theta if the rings sigma is 2 nc over m, distance 0 less than equals to r less than equals to 4, then the distance z equals to 10. Calculate the electric potential at point A is the 0, 0, and 10 caused by the charge distribution in a vacuum. Epsilon 0 equals to epsilon 0 equals to 8.85 times 10 the power of minus 12 c square over Newton meter square. Okay, next slide. Okay, the answer, the PR equals to 1 over 4 P epsilon 0, the double integral sigma, the derivative of R over R times the vector of R dk, and this is the known, and integrate to find the potential. PA equals to integral 0 into the 2 sigma times to dr, and the key dk or per over r, and equals to integral r equals to 0 into the 4, and integral theta equals to 0 into the 2v times the 1 over 4 v epsilon 0 times sigma over square root of the r square plus z square times r dr d theta, and equals to 10 the power of minus 9 over 4 v the epsilon 0 times the integral r equals to 0 into the 4, and integral theta equals to 0 into the 2v and 2r over the square root of r square plus z square times r dr d theta and equals to 10 minus 9 over 4v epsilon 0 to v integral r equals to 0 into the 4 1/2 times to 2r over the square root of r square plus z square dr equals to 10 the power of minus 9 over 2 times 8.85 times 10 the power of minus 12 times the power of the square root of 4 square plus 10 square, and the result is 108.49 p. Okay, then next slide. Okay, the number 4. Find the total charge in the volume defined by 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1 meter and 0 less than equals to y less than equals to 1 meter and 0 less than equals to z less than equals to 1 meter. If rho equals to 30x squared, y if dx equals to rho dv. And the answer, we set up triple integral. Q equals to triple integral rho dv, and where dv is the volume element, and in this case, dv is dx, dy, dz. So the integral becomes Q equals to triple integral 0 into the 1, 30 x squared y dx dy dz, and the first we will integrate with respect to x, and Q equals to integral 0 into the 1 in bracket 10x cubed y 0 into the 1 dy dz, and after that integrating with respect to x, the result is Q equals to integral 0 into the 1 10y dy dz, and then we integrate with respect to y. Okay, the Q equals to in bracket 5 y square 0 into the 1 dz, and the result is Q equals to 5 dz. And the finally we integrate with respect to z, and the Q equals to the in bracket 5z 0 into the 1. So the total charge within the defined volume is Q equals to 5 times 1 minus 5 times 0, and the result is 5 coulomb. Okay, next slide. Will be explained by Zaki.
And number 5, a spherical disk of radius 4 meter with charge density vector of d equals to 12 sin theta, surrounded by a closed surface S with nds equals to rdr d theta. What is the total flux through S? First, we must search for the known vector of d equals to 12 and r equals 4 meter, ds equals to r dr d theta. So the answer is flux equals to q e n c over epsilon 0, and q e n c equals to integral r equals 0 to 4 and theta equals 0 to v. Vector of d ds. And the next is integral of r equals to 0. R equals 0 to 4 and integral theta equals 0 to 2v. R sin theta d theta dr. And 12 integral r equals 0 to 4 r dr equals to 12 times 8 equals to 96. So the Q is QENC over epsilon 0 equals to 96 26 over 8 times 85 times 10 power by minus 12 equals to 1 times 0 84 times 10 power by minus 13 Newton meter square per C. Next. For the number 6 is what is the next flux through the closed surface S in the figure 3 that contains a distribution in the form of a plate of radius 4m with density vector of ds equals c square theta over 2r ds equals r dr d theta. Next. First is vector of ds equals to sin square theta over 2r and ds equals to r dr d theta. So we can get the q equals to integral 0 to v and integral 0 to 4 sin square theta over 2r r dr dt. And the next we integrate r. Integrate integral 0 to 4 1 over 2 sin square theta dr equals to 1 over 2 sin square theta integral 0 to 4 dr. And we get 1 over 2 sin square theta equals 2 sin square theta. And the next we integrate with respect to theta. Integral 0 to v to sin square theta d theta. And we get q equals to v. And the net flux is q over epsilon 0 equals to v over 8 times 85 times 10 over minus 12 Newton meter square per c square. So we get the 10 times 10 power by 11 Newton meter square over c square.
Okay, maybe that's enough for the presentation about the case study vector analysis. Sorry if there are error in presenting the material, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.